Acer launched a new Chrome OS desktop in January at CES, and today we have more launch price information. Acer's Chromebox CXI3 is now available for pre-order, and costs $297.99 for the most basic variant, as detected by ChromeUnboxed. As we heard from CES, it has three choices of Intel Core processor: Intel Celeron 3865U, Intel Core i3 7th generation 7130U or Intel Core i5 8th generation 8250U. The basic version has 4 GB of RAM, but you can select up to 16 GB of RAM. The 8th generation Intel Core version costs $744.99. There are 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB-C 3.0 port. There is also a port for an HDMI cable, LAN for Gigabit Ethernet, headphones/microphone and a microSD card slot. It comes with a vertical stand and an optional VESA mounting kit so you can connect the Chromebox to the back of your monitor if you wish. Acer Chrome CXI3 is available for NextWarehouse and TigerDirect pre-orders for now, with other sites to follow.